Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing eyebrow tutorial. So I found another affordable um, eyebrow pencil from Walmart for $2.97, $3. So this is from Wet n Wild. This is the retractable pencil that you just, what's the name? So I got this retractable brow pencil, and this is in the medium brown. Yes, medium brown right here, and this is how it look. Okay, so this is $3. Let's just round it up to $3 because $2.97 is $3. Okay, so I was happy to find this, and yeah, this is how it look. Really nice. It has a spoolie right here, and then it actually has the retractable eyebrow pencil like that. It comes all the way up like that. And okay, so this is what we are going to be using today. So first, let's take care of our brows, which I really don't have much brows, as you guys know, but I'm going to be using my e.l.f. wax pencil to lay down my eyebrow hairs. So I've been using this for a while, so don't mind it. So it looks dirty, but it's made off my pencil bag, so no shade, no game. So I'm just going to, let me just wipe off a little bit because I did grease my hair, and let me just wipe off a little bit. So I got that done. So what I'm gonna do is just going to rub a little bit. Did you see the difference? Now you can see my brows fully now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the spoolie from here and just gonna brush it down a little bit, and just like that. Okay, so next we are going to be using our pencil. Excuse the background noise, guys, because the kids are doing virtual learning. So yes, and I'm filming during the day. So hello, welcome to this channel. So all right, so that's what we're going to be doing. I have full tutorial, a lot of tutorial on my channel on how to do eyebrows with affordable pencils. This is $3. I've used $1 once before. If you cannot afford this, you can afford the $1 one. So I try to bring as much affordable things so that people can be able to still have a beautiful eyebrows as well. Okay, so Alright guys, so whatever I have to do next, I can fix that as I go on once I clean up my eyebrows, okay? So now I'm going to be using my Black Radiant concealer. You guys should know that by now. That's what I do. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, not much, because I don't want to take too much out. So So now we just use this darker side. I use this one under here. Now I'm gonna use this darker side for here on top of my, you don't have to do the top if you don't want to, but I normally do it so it can give me that sharp yeah, so you can give me that sharp look. So it's very easy, guys. So if you messed up, don't feel what you call it, don't feel like you can't go back and correct it. Just go back and correct whatever you have to correct. And okay, and just blend, wipe off unnecessary so you guys, I didn't do too much, so you can go ahead, like I said, you can go ahead again and fix it if you feel like you need to. You know, if I wiped off too much, I can always go back and, you know, add. Okay guys, so I think that's it. I mean, what else If I want to go back and do anything, you can, but I think I'm going to leave it here. And that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think, and this is how my brows are looking like. Don't worry about the ashy, not blending it. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just doing a tutorial for you guys. So again, yes guys, so this is it. And let me know if you like kids. Are you gonna purchase this? It's only $3 from Walmart, and you know, it's not too ashy. It's very, very light. So again, you can, I think that's very, very affordable for $3. And if I found anything else somewhere which I think I would like, I will do a tutorial, you know. And you know, so yes guys, let me know what you think. What you think I did a good job and everything. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And this is in a medium brown. Yeah, medium brown. This is not even a dark brown. This is medium brown, guys. So you can come up with a nice brows that will fit your face for only $3. So alright guys, let me know what you think down below. I'll talk to you guys later. But this is my eyebrows. Okay, bye.